What's up guys, my name is Cornelius Robinson and I want to show you a couple of brand new features in Flux as well as how to use them. If this is the first time you're hearing about Flux, it is the next generation of full-stack hardware design software based entirely in the browser. If you want to learn more, head on over to flux.ai, but for now, this is Overshoot. Let's get into it. The first new feature on our list is controls. To be fair, controls have been hiding in plain sight for a while, we just weren't able to use it until now. Controls are a dynamic way to change a component, typically for simulation purposes. The example I like to use is this waveform generator. If we select it, we can choose what type of waveform we want over here. Controls offer more than just a drop-down too. If we open up this part and select Manage, you can see we can add other controls such as toggle switch, radio buttons, checkboxes, a couple of different types of sliders, and a push button. And this is what those controls look like. Again, we have our drop-down radio buttons, checkboxes, discrete and normal sliders, as well as a push button. Now, the way to make these controls actually do something is through code. I'm not going to get into that today, mostly because it's not super well documented yet, and there are some bugs at the moment. Keep in mind, Flux is currently in beta. The second new feature is portals. No, not that portal. Net portals. For those not familiar with schematics, think of portals like a power symbol net. They're connected together even though they're not physically wired together in the schematic. All you have to do is search for it in the library. Here's one that I made, and you can make your own custom symbol if you want, but feel free to use this one. The only criteria is the name has to be the same. For example, I'll set the designator to power_good. And now any other portal also named power_good will be connected. Once we do that and we have one selected, the other will turn blue, indicating that they are indeed connected. If you like these new features or this video, please give it a like. That helps other people find this video too. I make videos just like this one every week, so make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.